The government has introduced the Inter-Services Organizations Command, Control and Discipline Bill 2023 in Lok Sabha to strengthen Tri-Services Commanders' power. The Unique Identification Authority of India has decided to allow residents to update documents in their Aadhaar online free of cost. As part of the G20 second EdWG meeting, Ministry of Education organized a multimedia exhibition on the sidelines of the seminar by partnering with IIT Ropar at Khalsa College, Amritsar. President Draupadi Murmu is scheduled to reach Kochi tomorrow as part of her 6-day tour of Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Lakshadweep. In Women's Premier League cricket, Delhi Capitals will lock horns with Gujarat Giants at the Brackbourne Stadium in Mumbai tonight at 7:30 p.m.